Got it here, Apollo Space Age Survival Knife. Today is going to be a new series for vintage knives that worth some money. So guess what, this side here, I bought it for $100. This thing sell up to $300. I probably will resell it pretty easily for $200. So this is right here, pretty vintage. There's a few different kind. I think this one is 1970s. You see Japan, US pattern. So made in Japan and in Canada and other patterns. And there's the name of it, Apollo Space Age Survival Knife. So first of all, you have right here a screw to flip the knife out. Which way? Okay, maybe we need to loosen up all the way out, then it should come out. Oh, there you go, somebody put a piece of paper in stainless steel, Japan, pretty cool. And you got right here the blade and a saw. And those holes will go inside that knife. Definitely not the easiest thing to open and close, but then you slide it back in. All these little holes should match up, and you got right here a knife. So it's not the perfect condition knife. As you can see, it has a little bit of wear and tear, but not on a blade, not too much anyways. So this is at least $250 knife. It's brand new. You can charge up to $300 or more. As you can see, there's 3 little screws. You open it and then you can pull everything out. There's a compass, there's a wax candle, there's a level. You see the level actually works. There's a few different blue matches. Do you see blue matches very often? There's a thermometer. Looks like it's 80s or something like that. I think it's Fahrenheit. And a fishing kit with the tiny hooks, so it's a freshwater fishing kit. Oh yeah, and a sharpener, so you can take the blade off and sharpen it up. So this is super unique knife. A lot of people do collect them. Now that I figured out how to open it, you unspin it all the way and a little bit tricky. Then you fold it this way. Probably haven't been used in a while, that's why it was kind of hard. And then tighten it up. Let's see if it will work this time. Unspin it all the way. Unlock it this way. Oh yeah, it works a lot better now. Now that I lined it up better, then you close it back up and it's not going anywhere because it's holding into those holes. That's a very unique knife. I don't know if you guys seen one of those before. I filmed similar one, but I think that one was either newer or older. This kit is a little bit different on this one. Wow, that's sharp. Okay, push it in, fold it. That's a very unique mechanism on top of it. And comes with a pretty cool holster and locks in, and you can still see the compass over there.